Unfortunately, with the wind, you can't really hear anything that I recorded here. Basically, I was saying that there's so much fog, it's crazy. I got on the bridge and I realized that I was surrounded by the fog completely. So it's gonna be very difficult for photographing today. It was sunny when I came from the mainland, and as soon as I get on the bridge to Venice, I started to see fog. One of my New Year's resolution is to get back into photography and to challenge myself more to capture more beautiful still images. That's why I picked up the Lumix G9 as my photography camera this year. I'm very excited to shoot more high-res images with it on tripod. So today I was planning to get some epic tripod shots in San Marco Square, St. Mark's Square, and the fog was ruining everything. Or did it? Maybe the fog added a little bit artistic intricacy. I don't know. I'm just going to try my best to capture what I see that is beautiful. It's been almost 8 years since I came to Venice, so I thought that I've seen enough of it and grew tired of its look, but I need to challenge myself to find the beauty, even in the sceneries that I see as ordinary. I must not forget that most people in the world haven't had the opportunity to live here in the water city, and they don't see it the way I do. For them, everything is fresh and new and full of wonder. I must get over my own prejudice and fatigue and learn to appreciate the beauty itself. I'm shooting all in JPEG. In natural profile, I find this profile most pleasing straight out of camera. In case I don't want to edit the image that much, I could just add some contrast and saturation to make the color of the houses pop. The warm color houses are usually perfectly balanced with a cold green color water, very naturally pleasing color scheme. Unfortunately, today with a lot of fog, I don't get that much color contrast, so everything looks a little bit flat. Sometimes the image comes out naturally saturated and contrasty. Sometimes it's all bland and boring, and if I force contrast and saturation in post, the image will only get messy and fall apart. So there's a lot to learn still in how to get it right in camera. Usually from here you can see San Marco Square, but not today. The fog is just too much. I brought the tripod. I wanted to shoot some high resolution pictures, but I don't think it's worth it today because of the fog. You're not gonna capture that much detail anyway, so probably gonna just shoot handheld unless I find a good shot. I don't know. I don't have enough photography IQ to find a good shot. We'll see. Look at the fog. I can't see anything. On top of that, I have glasses. I wear a mask. I can't really see anything because of the fogging on the glasses. It's a double fog. So basically, I'm shooting photos half blind all the time. It's really difficult. Later, the fog was receding and I managed to get some high-res shots. That's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed the format and let me know if you like it or not in the comment section so I can make more of this type of photo walk vlogs potentially. Seems fun. I sure do enjoy a lot of photo walk vlogs on YouTube. I do watch a lot of them. For example, by James Popsis, really fun to watch and also very educating. I can learn a lot from his thought process behind his creation of images. And it's just very calm and relaxing to watch this type of video, and very inspiring and helpful as well. So subscribe to help out the channel if you like the video, and thank you very much. See you next time. No more fog. The sun is setting as well, so it's getting dark and I'm getting tired. So that's it. We're going home and review the photos.